Say snow in Savannah!
Snow in Savannah! Is that a floaty?
Yeah, it is.
That's innovation right there, ingenuity.
Hey y'all, something magical happened in Savannah last night. Winter Storm Enzo swept through, transforming our charming little coastal city into a winter wonderland. For the first time in years, Savannah awoke to the sight of snow-covered streets, parks, and historic squares. You know us, we couldn't resist going out on a winter wanderbout to see Savannah in the snow. Our first stop, Coffee Bluff Marina. The water may not have frozen over, but the snow-dusted docks gave the place a pretty magical winter vibe. It's not every day we see snow here in the hostess city. Downtown Savannah measured around 3 inches of snowfall, a pretty rare sight that had locals and visitors alike stepping outside to explore and play on this fleeting snow day. Then we made our way to Forsyth Park, where the iconic fountain looked like something out of a snow globe. The park was alive with laughter and snowball fights. It was impossible not to feel the joy in the air. Adventure began when we picked up Ruby, Jeff's daughter, and spotted a group of people sledding down the side of the Truman Parkway on-ramp. Savannah may not have hills, but they made the most of what they had. Naturally, we had to give it a try.
Dude, it's deep.
Alright.
That's crazy.
Say snow in Savannah!
Snow in Savannah!
And suddenly, we were kids again, sliding, laughing, and crashing in the snow. It wasn't just a rare snow day, it was a day of pure joy and unforgettable memories.
This looks daunting.
Just lay back and go for the ride.
Wait, don't go yet, Chrissy, don't go. The cars. Actually, you probably won't get that far. You could go.
Lay back a little bit.
Yeah, you... Pick your feet up!
Until next time, thanks for joining us on our winter wonderbout.